Trigonometry math solution. L is cos 6x minus cos 4x by sin 6x minus sin 4x. 2 sin a plus b 6x plus 4x by 2. Sin b minus a 4x minus 6x by 2. Sin 6x minus sin 4x. Sin a minus sin b. 2 cos a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2. 6x plus by 4x by 2 sin 6x minus 4x by 2. 6x by 4x 10x by 2 10x by 2. 6x by 4 10x by 2 sin 10x by 2 cos 10x by 2 sin 5x by 2 cos 5x by 2 then 10 5x. Yeah, sin 4x minus 6. Then sin twice x minus 12x by 2. Sin minus x minus sin x. Sin minus x equals minus sin x. Then sin 6x minus 4x is equal to sin twice x by 2. Sin x. Sin x starting, then minus 5x. RHS was realized and studied profoundly. Their sin cos a minus cos b. 2 sin a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2 b minus a by 2 and sin a minus sin b 2 cos a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2. And please subscribe me all of your progressive minded civilization being. I am just analyzing trigonometry math solution, and I have analyzed inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, and physical chemistry. Inorganic chemistry, electron configuration, ionic bond, covalent coordinate, covalent bond, metallic bond, and octet-role, duet-role, electron configuration. Our principle, Hahn rule, and Pauli exclusion principle. Aromatic compound, ortho, meta, para, derivatives, and aldehyde, and alcohol, alkene, alkyne, etc.